Hello. In this video, I will be reviewing the MA Cross indicator on the MetaTrader4 and MetaTrader5 platforms. This indicator has an oscillatory mode and can show us the trend. When the values of this indicator are above 0 and positive, it indicates an uptrend, and when the values are negative, it indicates a downtrend. The values of this indicator are obtained from the difference between two moving averages, which we can adjust their parameters in the input settings. Let's go over the settings of this indicator together.
7 powerful volume trading indicators: footprint, volume profile, and fast scalp. Level up your trading.
The first option in the settings is the period of the first moving average, and the next option is the period of the second moving average. Also, the third option specifies the calculation method for the first moving average, and the last option determines the calculation method for the second moving average, which we can choose from among these options. You can also use the MT4 version of this indicator on the MetaTrader4 platform. Finally, if you have any comments, criticisms, or suggestions, you can share them with us in the comments section to help improve the indicators.